Okay, so number 14 says person pulls a 25 kilogram box up across a level floor pulls on a rope upward at an angle of 30 degrees. If the coefficient of friction is 0.64, the box accelerates at a rate of 3.2098, and it wants to know what is the force. Okay, so first step, find your x and y components. X is the adjacent side, so it's going to be cosine theta is equal to fx over f, so fx will equal f cos theta. Don't fill your numbers in because you're not going to be able to get a number for this, so just leave it as letters. And your y is the opposite side, so it should be sine is equal to fy over f, so fy will be equal to f sine theta. Okay, once you've got those two things, then go to the sum of the forces in the y direction. So in the y direction, it is not moving, so this goes to 0. We have Fn going up, Fg going down, and Fy going up, so Fy should be positive, is equal to 0. You're always solving for Fn, so when you take Fg over, it becomes positive, and it's just Mg, and when you take Fy over, it becomes negative, and it's F sine theta. Can't get a number for this, okay? Now, you could get friction if you want. FFR is equal to mu Fn, and that means that FFR is equal to mu brackets mg minus f sine theta. Again, can't get a number for this. You're going to have to sub it in when you do sum of the forces in the x direction. So we go to sum of the forces in the x direction equals max, and in the x direction we have fx minus our friction is equal to max. Fx is just f cos theta, and friction we have right down here. It's mu brackets mg minus f sine theta, and that's going to be equal to max. So you're trying to solve for f, but there's an f stuck inside the equal sign, the brackets I mean, so before you move anything across the equal sign, you need to multiply through by the mu. So f cos theta minus mu mg, and then minus mu times minus f sine theta plus mu f sine theta is equal to max. Take your terms without f to the other side, leave your terms with f here, so f cos theta plus mu f sine theta is equal to max plus mu mg. Factor out your f, so cos theta plus, oops, lost my f there, plus mu sine theta, and that will equal max plus mu mg, and now divide by the bracket. So it becomes f is equal to max plus mu mg over cos theta plus mu sine theta. And now fill in your numbers. So 25 kilograms times 3.2098 meters per second squared plus 0.64 times 25 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared, and that's going to get divided by the cos of 30 plus 0.64 times the sine of 30. And when you do this, you get an F of 200 newtons. It's really 199 and like 4 nines, so close enough to 200. All right, number 15 is another forces at an angle, only this time you're pushing downward. So it says you're pushing downward with a force of 560 newtons, and the angle is 60 degrees. This is Fx, this is Fy, this is gravity, the normal force, and friction. And so it says coefficient of friction is 0.2. And it says it accelerates at a rate of 2.1972 meters per second squared, and it wants the mass. So again, just like the last time, go over here and find your Fx. And so x will be cos theta, Fx over F. So Fx will be F cos theta. And again, I wouldn't find my numbers. You're not going to be able to get a number for Fn right away, so you may as well leave everything as letters just to make your life easier. So Fy should be sine theta, and so Fy should be F sine theta. Okay? And then once you have that, now you are going to do some of the forces in the y, just like we always do. It goes to 0. It'll be Fn minus Fg, and this time minus Fy equals 0. And so when you take them over, it should become mg plus F sine theta. Can't get a value here because you don't know the m, but you could get friction, which of course is equal to mu Fn. So friction will be mu brackets mg plus F sine theta, which we can sub in a minute in our x direction. Okay, so now we go to our x direction. Sum of the forces in the x is equal to max, and we have Fx minus friction is equal to max, and Fx is just F cos theta, and we just found friction down there to be mu brackets mg plus F sine theta equals max. This time you're solving for m, and there's an m stuck inside the bracket, so you have to multiply through by the mu. So F cos theta minus mu mg minus mu F sine theta is equal to max. Take your two terms with m to the same side, so F cos theta minus mu F sine theta is equal to max plus mu mg. Pull out your m, so you'll be left with ax plus mu g, and now you're going to divide by that bracket to get your m. This side doesn't change. Okay, so m will be equal to F cos theta minus mu F sine theta divided by ax plus mu g. F was 560 newtons. Cos of 60 minus mu was 0.2 times 560 newtons sine of 60 divided by A was 2.1972 meters per second squared plus 0.2 times 9.81 meters per second squared. And when you do this, you should get an m very close to 44 kilograms. Okay? So hopefully these are getting better in your life. All right.